In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed in Canva. For many, mastering this feature is crucial to ensure that your designs come out looking polished and professional, especially when printed. Even though Canva's bleed settings adhere to industry production standards, it's critical to understand how to apply this feature manually to fit your specific design needs. We're starting off with a document that currently has no visible bleed, and it might be a bit of a mystery since nothing is immediately apparent on the canvas. To reveal this vital feature, first, navigate to the top menu and click on File. From there, hover down to View Settings, and you'll notice an option called Show Print Bleed. When you click on that, voila! The bleed area appears, outlined by a dotted line surrounding your original design dimensions, indicating the additional space for bleed. Now, to effectively use this bleed area, particularly if your design elements don't stretch all the way to the edge, you might need to increase your background size. This adjustment ensures that all parts of your design extend into the bleed area, which is crucial for clean trimming. Let's take a look at an example. Sometimes, a colored background will automatically extend, but things differ when there's a photo background. For instance, here with a photo background, if the photo doesn't reach the canvas's edge, you might notice some gaps, like these areas showing blue background. This means an improper export could result. To fix this, you should double-click on the photo background and drag it past the edges of the canvas, ensuring it overlaps into the bleed area. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click somewhere else on the canvas to deselect. This ensures your design extends correctly and fills the bleed area entirely, creating a seamless look all the way around. After getting your bleed set just right, it's time to finalize and download your design. Head over to Share and then click Download. For the highest quality, select PDF Print. It's important to check the option for crop marks and bleed. This ensures that these essential details are included in your final file. If you're sending your design to a professional printer, they may require your file in CMYK color mode, which is available through Canva Pro. However, if you're simply printing for personal use, you may continue with RGB mode if that suits your needs. As you download, familiarizing yourself with bleed gives your document that extra professional touch, allowing for a clean trim with no graphic surprises at the edges. With these settings, you're now equipped to produce polished designs that look stunning whether you're creating business cards, flyers, or brochures. That's how you can effectively add bleed in Canva, ensuring that your printed projects will always meet the highest quality standards.